started the bakery in our basement 14 years ago, and we moved here just over 7 years ago. And we've expanded. We've had great growth each year, but now after the last flood we decided it was too close for comfort, so we're moving to the same strip mall as Park Street. And we're going to have about 500 extra feet of space, which I'm sure we'll fill up really quickly, but we'll be able to continue to grow there.